Hi, have you ever wanted to create videos with your iPhone and add music to them? Well, this video is going to tell you how to do that. I'm just going to cut right into the video because I hate the long talking before actually telling us how to do it. So you're going to need two apps as you see on your screen right there. Those two apps, Premiere Rush and Documents. So the Documents app and the Premiere Rush app, you're going to need those two. Alright, so the Premiere Rush is a video editing software. It's like Sony Vegas but for your phone, or any nice video editing app. Um, so what you're seeing on the screen now is my work area where because I've made videos before naturally, so your videos are stored there for use. So these, what you're seeing on your screen now is one, the music audio that's below, and then the video that's on top. We have transition graphics, we have layers, you have a lot of editing should I say applications available for you to use to make a really nice video. So I would suggest that you use Premiere Rush. This video is not sponsored by them or anything. However, Premiere Rush to me has been a really amazing app for creating videos. Anyway, the second app you're going to need is Documents, and this is where you're going to post the link for the music video from YouTube, and then you convert it. It will convert to MP3. You'll save it, and then you're able to add it to Premiere Rush. So to get the Documents app, you go to the App Store, type Documents in the search bar. That is what you're going to see come up. You're going to click that, download that, and the Documents app will now be on your phone. When you originally open the Documents app, however, you will. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to show you the quick and easy process of how to get the song. So we're going to go to YouTube. We're going to click share. We're going to copy the link. The song that you just saw, that is a song that I'm currently playing, and that's a song that I've used in a few of my videos. So you're going to paste the link inside the search bar there. You're going to click convert. It is going to convert it to a format which you can listen.
Before giving up on my life, mama wanted me to stay strong, Armstrong felt proud of me for what I do, when I try away quietly.
Alright, so that was just a quick snapshot, so you guys can see that it actually works. There is no need to jailbreak your iPhone. There's no need to do anything to your phone except just to download it and add it to Premiere Rush. And as I said before, Premiere Rush is an amazing application. I find it much better than what is it, iMovie? Yeah, I find it much better than iMovie. So I'm actually going to delete iMovie. Due to permission settings, you are able to choose what pictures and or videos Premiere Rush as an app can use, and you can manage those. So I'm creating my timeline now for this actual video. So what I'm doing is I'm adding videos to the. So once we're finished adding videos, we are going to set the orientation to 16:9, and that is so that you're able to turn it sideways, turn your phone sideways, and it will fit the orientation without issue. So there you have it. That is our first video added to the timeline to make this video. So this video that you're actually watching now is a video within a video, so maybe videoception, I don't know. all right, so what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna show a quick intro, how to add the intro. One mistake I made, because I'm using the screen recorder on the iPhone 10, and I'm realizing now that it cut part of the lower part of the screen and part of the upper part of the screen. So I don't know why it did that. I'm gonna have to work on that, but that's what happened. So as you can see, we clicked add, and we added a intro to the video. Okay, so the intro is there. It's just to move it to the front. It will go to the front. Actually, it will go where that long line is. So because I was in the middle of the video, it was placed in the middle of the video. But if I put that line at the front, then it would have gone to the front. So if you recognize what I just did, that is actually the intro layer for this video. Okay, so moving on. All right, so as I said before, the lower part of the video was cut off. I'm going to have to fix that. However, it is actually very easy to use. There is that little blue, there's a little blue circle with a plus, white plus in the middle of it. That's what you click. It gives a lot of options, including stock music. So there is actually stock music in Premiere Rush. All right, but naturally we're not using any of this because nobody really likes it, and some of them you have to pay for. So all of those with the blue circle and the star in it, you have to pay for it. You have to get the upgraded version of this. And Premiere Rush is marketed as a free app, so we're going to use all the free functions. And to be honest, we don't even really need the paid functions, if we're being honest. If you have a computer, you can actually create your own intro on it. You can create your own outro. And as a matter of fact, you can do that on this as well, but it's just a bit time intensive. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to show you how to import the music into the video. All right, so we're going to rush over to documents. As you can see, the song is still there. It is in our downloads. So it's important to remember where the song is located. So we're going to go back over to Premiere Rush. We're going to go to add. We're going to go to files. We're going to click import from files. Then we're going to go, well, it was already there because I did that, but we're going to come out of it. Well, this is where it would take you. So you will click documents, going to downloads, and then that is where you will see the song. So click it, it will import it, give you the option, click yes or okay, sorry, and then it will import it onto Premiere Rush in its own track. So you will be able to edit it, you'll be able to reduce volume, you'll be able to truncate the music, put it anywhere in the video. It's essentially edited how you would like it to be. All right, so there you have it. We've imported the audio, we've imported the video, we have added our intro. So most of the videos are already, completed. It's just to add the remainder of the contents. So as I said before, we have a lot of options. We have overlays, we have transition graphics, we have titles, and all of that. So I've added my transition graphics to start the video. I've added my music. I've just added an overlay. So that's what that is. That's an overlay. So what you essentially, it's there to say what it says on the screen. Follow us, subscribe, so on and so forth. So it's actually real easy, real straightforward. And as I said before, there are a lot of free overlays in there, a lot of free content, and there is some paid. However, almost everything they give you free is enough to create your own video. Okay, so there is not really much left for you to do. So at this point, I am editing the video, adding all of these overlays to it, adding my music, adding everything. So there's just a few things left to do and the video is completed. So one of those few is the voiceover, which is what I'm doing right now. So I normally keep my microphone and camera off because if I'm not using the app, then the apps don't need to have access to my microphone and or camera, so I keep them off. In this case, we're creating a video, so I turn it on, and this is the voiceover that is being done right now for the video. After we've finished adding our voiceover, the only thing that's left to do is to click export. Export is at the top right hand corner. There are three options at the top right hand corner of your phone. You click the middle one, which is the square box with the arrow pointing up, and then you're ready to upload to YouTube, ready to upload to Instagram, ready to upload to Facebook. With that said, this is going to be the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see more videos out there with music playing in the background. If you've learned something, if you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.